Short video introduced together reviews about JOMISE S30 2.5K dual dash cam built-in Wi-Fi GPS front 2.5K/1080p and rear 1080p dual dash camera. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The JOMISE dashcam front and rear S30 uses HiSilicon 3556 to be the master control chip, and the Sony IMX335 sensor is equipped with the industry's top TRC2117 True 6 glass lens. Since HiSilicon processor is currently one of the top processors in the image category, the image quality, color, and delicacy of the image can be much higher than other similar 4K products. You can buy similar products at the same time and choose to install them after comparison. If your car is a large size and needs a 33 feet extension cable, please contact us. If you need to turn on 24H parking monitor, please contact us to get the hardware kit. If you need the installation video of the dash cam, the download URL of GPS player or Wi-Fi app with your smartphone, please contact JOMISE support team. The 2.5K front car camera has built-in Wi-Fi with an easy connection to your smartphone app. With the RoadCam app, which can be downloaded in Google Play, it's very convenient to operate live preview, playback, and device management on your smartphone. Please make sure it can only be connected within a certain range, 10 feet to about 16 feet. If you want to share the video with family or friends, you can download the video to your phone, then send or share it. With built-in GPS, the dashcam accurately tracks your driving location and speed in either km/h or mp/h. When playback the videos on the computer or smartphone, a simultaneous Google Map view will show your car's location, driving route, and driving speed. After download, the dedicated player JOMISE player then uses the player to open the video instead of double-clicking the video file directly. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS. S30 provides more than 20 functions, such as touchscreen/loop recording/G sensor/24H parking monitor/Wi-Fi/app control and more. Dashcams for cars with HIS chip must be equipped with a metal shell to achieve sufficient heat dissipation to ensure the service life of the product. Although it will feel obvious heat when touched, it can still ensure that the machine will not crash and restart at 160 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.